If you're interested in a quality baler at a discounted price, check out these two units we have in our used inventory. First up, we have a 1988 New Holland 575 square baler. This baler is a wire tie unit. Additionally, all chains and sprockets have been checked out and are in good condition. There's average wear on the knotters and chamber, but overall, this is a very clean baler. Here's a clip of the baler going on a test run in front of our store. Next up is a Vermeer 665 Rancher. This unit uses net wrap and produces bales suitable for a mid-sized tractor to transport. Also, the gathering wheels are in good condition. Overall, both of these balers are ready to go to work. If you have any questions about either of these units or would like to inquire about trading in a used unit, call us at 979-822-6800.